Yar! Have you ever heard of the Pirate Challenge? No? I didn't think so. To spread the word about myasthenia gravis, a rare neuromuscular disorder that affects a person's muscles, I challenge you to wear an eye patch for a day. Why an eye patch? Well, it might make me look cool, but that's not the point. Myasthenia gravis usually affects a person's eyes first, causing double vision. One or both of their eyelids droop, and sometimes their eyes won't align due to muscle weakness. So many people with myasthenia gravis have to wear an eye patch just to be able to see. This Pirate Challenge lets you know what that part of the disease feels like. In many people, eye weakness is just the start. Loss of muscle control spreads to other parts of the body, causing difficulty talking, swallowing, walking, and even breathing. That's when it can get dangerous and, shiver me timbers, life-threatening. You might have heard of some famous people who suffered from it. Aristotle Onassis, the real Christopher Robin Milne from Winnie the Pooh, and actor Karl Malden, to name a few. There's lots of research ongoing, but there's still no cure. I hope that you'll take up this Pirate Challenge and encourage your friends to do it as well to spread awareness of this disease, especially during June, which is Myasthenia Gravis Awareness Month. Ahoy, matey!